Would you like to improve your credit score and get your finances on track? Do you aspire to live a great life by making the most of your income? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this course is definitely for you. Introducing to the course, DIY Credit Repair Course plus 100 free dispute letters, and ebook. Meet the instructor, Dana Robinson. She is a certified credit score and credit repair specialist. She is also the owner of Credit Deputies, an online credit repair information hub for consumers. This course will help you how to fix your credit reports, raise your credit score, and get ready for a better future. In this wonderful course, you will discover: how can you repair your credit? Why is it the best option for you? And why is the law on your side on this? What do you need to know beforehand? How can you begin the process? And what are the resources that you have available? What can you expect to undergo? And how can you begin your journey towards a stellar credit? How can you effectively use the various tools at your disposal? And what is the ideal outcome that you need to aim for? What are some of the most indispensable resources to help make the process as painless as possible? And much more. This course also includes 2 hours of valued learning, and the aim of the DIY Credit Repair course is to empower everyone who has run into credit issues to get out of the vicious cycle. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now, and see you in the class.